In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Venmo Instant Transfer. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to solve any issues that you might be having with instant transfers on Venmo. As you might be aware, instant transfers on Venmo allow you to send money to any eligible US bank account that you have attributed to your Venmo account. So before you even start this process, head over to your wallet inside of Venmo and make sure that the bank account that you are trying to send the money into is linked inside of your Venmo wallet. As long as you are able to add it as a bank account inside of Venmo, you will be able to initiate instant transfers. Sometimes the way to solve any issues that you are having with instant transfers and fix them is by simply relinking the account. So what you can try to do here is unlink the account that you want to transfer money into and link it again. By relinking the account, the validation process will be started over and you might be able to fix any issues that you are having with this transfer to begin with. Now, with this option out of the way, something else that you might want to check is whether or not the Venmo service is down. Sometimes the service will simply be down because of maintenance or server issues, and if that is the case, unfortunately, there is nothing that you can do on your end. You will have to wait until the maintenance is complete or the servers come back up. The best way to know if the Venmo servers are operational is to go on Google and look for Venmo status. Make sure that Venmo is working as intended, and as long as it is, you will be able to initiate the instant transfer like I mentioned from the menu when you select to transfer money. The next thing to check is the service of the bank that you are transferring money into. Sometimes, as you can see according to the customer support dialog that I'm showing you on screen, it is not Venmo's fault, but the other bank that you are trying to send money into. And if that is the case, like I said, for Venmo, you will have to wait until the bank service comes back up. If that is the case, relink another bank and try making the transfer to another bank instead if you can. Besides these options of waiting for the service to come back up, you should be able to initiate the transfer right away. If you are still unable to initiate a transfer and the mobile app does not give you any valid reason, the next best step is to contact their customer support. I included this option as the last one because I assume a lot of people don't want to go through the trouble of reaching the help center and explaining their situation, but if it still is not able to be transferred, all that you have to do is go over to the help.venmo.com page, and in here you will be able to access the help center where you can scroll down and find the option to contact them through this prompt. By including the description about your issue and your account, they will be able to contact you and give you any solution related to you or your specific issue. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Venmo Instant Transfer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.